Talaga namang ang tataba at lulusog ng aking mga pananim dito. Hi guys! Good morning! My name is Prenny at dito po ako nakatira sa South Australia. Sunday pala ngayon guys and it's October 20, 2024 at nandito na naman ako sa aking garden. Mamimitas po ako ng silver beet or spinach. Siguro po yung iba sa inyo dyan ay nakita nyo na po yung vlogs ko about donating my excess produce sa community pantry dito sa aming lugar. At kung hindi pa po ay isearch nyo na lang. Pajama with Udi ang ating style ngayon for today's video. Sorry na po at hindi ako nakapagbihis dyan kasi dumiretso lang ako. Nakita ko kasi na marami akong silver beets dyan at Sunday ngayon kaya naalala ko na talagang bilisan ko ang aking kilos kasi I slept in a little bit and after I had my coffee ay dumiretso na ako sa aking garden para mamimitas. Even if it's already spring here, spring season na, but we are still getting some cold nights. Kaya dapat pa rin na nakapag jumper ka or yung suot ko ngayon ay hoodie. Actually, bigay lang yan sa aking kaibigan to Steph at I just borrow it from Steph. Thank you Steph for allowing me to wear your hoodie today. At mahilig talaga ako magsusuot ng pajama pag nasa bahay lang ako guys kasi napaka-komportable ang pajama eh. Siguro if I don't have work, no? Siguro nakapajama ako palagi. At sa makikita nyo po dyan ay meron po ako maraming pumpkin seedlings that I grow from seeds kasi mahal talaga pag bumili ka ng seedlings na sa Bunnings or sa nursery ba. Kaya mas mainam na mag-imbak ka ng mga buto para ikaw na lang yung magtatanim at makakatipid po kayo. And guess who's taking me a video today? Today's videographer is none other than my daughter Stephanie.
Have a look at this, Steph, how big it is. See? Oh. Wow, that's big.
Okay, something happened to my car. It won't start and we're about to go because I plan to take the vegetables that I picked this morning to the community pantry and then after that we were supposed to go to church. That's what I told to my girls, but unfortunately
Let me tell what happened.
my car won't start. If you turn this thing on, see?
We're out of battery.
The battery is flat, so
Because she left it on last night.
no.
What?
We might have to buy a new battery for the car
Why?
because I don't know. I did not leave it on last night. So, ito po yung mga gulay na napitas ko.
Maybe it's a new old battery.
Yeah, it is. So, meron akong jumper lead dito guys, but I need another car to, obviously, to jump start. I know how to do it, but wala akong extra car dito. God, hopefully, mabilis lang. Ayan sila, mga bata ko naglalaro ng bubbles. Mabuti na lang at member po ako ng RAA, kaya meron po akong roadside assistance kung sakaling masisiraan po ako ng sasakyan. At habang ako'y nag-aantay, ilalagay ko muna tong rubbish bin sa curbside. I am lucky enough, I did not have to wait for too long. Mga 10 minutes lang yatang pagantay ko at dumating na nga ang RAA crew para tumulong sa akin and to check what was wrong with my car.
Battery's 9 years old. So yeah, very old RAA battery.
Yay! Good job!
Can't believe it's got 9. That's unreal.
I didn't know because we've been sitting in this since how long you bought, when you bought it, Steve?
2019. 2019.
So we've had it for 5 years with Steve.
Yeah. So the battery was already 5 years old by the time you got it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's unreal.
Normally from Sky, well, I suppose I can Sky.
Yeah. But yeah,
That's the go.
it's
Well,
charging all good, so don't turn it off and you should be right.
Thank
there
you.
go, mate. Right, thanks, mate. Let's go probably have one for
How much?
in between 100 and 150. I picked up 200 for a Repco. So Repco batteries. Others way. Just go to church and just
I have the jumper lead with me, so I'm good. Nag-start na siya! Thank you, Lord. Alright, buckle up, Baba. Thank you, Daddy, for coming.